Right, well, I got you guys out and about. Well, why I'm out and about, I'll show you guys a local high school. Got my brake on. And I had to come up here to the local clinic and get my mice prescriptions, or blood pressure pills. I'm testing out the GoPro. It's a GoPro 3, white, it's probably like 10 years old. I've never used it before. My son, oldest son, they bought it for me for a birthday present, and then he got his hands on it, and I never saw it again. You know, I don't know if people out there that got kids, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so, anyway, I'll show you. They got some local skaters over here taking a break. I just see them skating down the road. And I'll show you guys really what's up. Looks like there's something going on here at the high school. Not sure what. Maybe they have classes. I heard that all the schools were closed, but the high school might not be closed. All the buses are here. These are all the buses, the school buses and whatnot. This right here is a local store, local little, what do you call it, little mini super. That's what they call them, like little supermarket, little mini supermarket. And I'm just checking out this camera. I don't know much about it. And if I took you up this road, yeah, why not? Let's go for it. We'll get you right in sugarcane country, like real quick. One-lane bridge. I've done some videos with the one-lane bridges. People watch my videos and know what I'm talking about. And we'll see how this is for stabilization on this camera. I might not even be keeping this video. So on my local radio station. Sugarcane everywhere. On your left, on your right. It's getting almost time to harvest it. They'll harvest it in January, February, March. Come up here real quick. I find a place to turn around. Just kind of want to show you guys real quick. And check out the stability on the camera. See how it is. If it's even worth it to do videos with it. Good place to turn around. I'll wait a minute. Go up here for a second. It's all sugarcane. This is part of my sugarcane tour. Those are pretty flowers. Up and down, as you can see. Do a quick video. Coffee over here on the left, on your right, excuse me, my right. Not in any hurry today. I can do a quick video. All sugarcane country. House right in the middle of sugarcane. Real pretty. This road pops you out in La Linda. Anybody knows my videos, they know that, hey, I was looking for La Linda the other day, but I know this road really well, so. Have to see. I don't want to run the video too long, so when we get to La Linda, I'll shut it off. But I just want to see its stability and see how good the camera is. This road's actually super good. They've done a lot of work to it, and it's fun, man. You get a couple motorcycles. Oh my goodness, dirt bikes. Yeah, you get a lot of fun around here. Luckily, I got a 4-wheel drive, so I got nothing to worry about. This whole place floods sometimes with too much rain, and there's like a little, I kind of want to say a one-lane bridge. It's a creek right here, so this is all kind of a bridge, kind of It'll flood out too. A lot of times you won't even be able to get up this road unless it's really good condition right now. Unless you put it in 4-wheel drive, you can't even get up this road. But I'm not having much trouble right now. I even got the AC kicking. So these houses are fairly new. This is a really steep part of the road too. I'm not having any condition problems right now. Seems like I'm doing okay. Whoop! Yep, here we go. Someone's coming. It's all right though. I got in front of them. Left him in my dust. Not really dusty right now either. Dry season, oh my goodness, it gets really bad. You know, I come up here on the left-hand side and miss those bumps. Nice little neighborhood here. Get on that smooth road right there. You see my videos before. I've cut out a video right up here. Is a plaza on the left-hand side. There's a church on the right-hand side, and there's like La Linda School, little elementary school right there. And they built up quite a few houses in here because I've been living here for almost 13 years now. Here we go, nice and smooth. So yeah, we'll see how that one pans out. I'll check it. If it's good enough to throw on YouTube, I'll give you guys something to look at here. Stray dog in the middle of the road. No stop signs, so no stop. Oh, this road used to be horrible, and it's all paved now. It's beautiful through here now. Yeah, it only takes a second. One of those one-lane bridges, like I've always talked to you about. This guy's got motorcycles. One's a dirt bike, one's a street bike. Nobody's got helmets on. And you can see they're just gonna let me go past them. I'm gonna let them know I'm coming up. But this road used to be horrible, and they've redone the whole thing now. It's beautiful. You can actually get your longboard, skateboard out here on this thing. Or my son's got a scooter. I think we're gonna come up here and try these roads one day. It's a lot of fun. There's some ups and downs, so yeah, I think we'll be fine. It's a lot of fun though. Oh, there's the town. Look at the rainstorm right there, guys. It's coming in, so I'm gonna get back to the house real quick before I get caught in it. You never know what's gonna happen. This road used to be horrible, and it's all fixed up now. It's so nice. Well, it used to take 15 minutes to get there from my house. Now it takes 5. So things are getting better, and it's just a matter of time. You know, you live down here long enough, and everything will get better. Your road will be paved soon enough. So here comes the rain, guys. I'm gonna cut out of here. I don't think this does too well with the rain, but you know, appreciate it. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. So hit the subscribe button. Share it with your friends. Let them know. Balmy Tours. All about doing the tours. All about showing people agricultural tours and what's going on. And I really appreciate it, man. You guys have a great afternoon, evening, morning, wherever you might be. And we'll catch you on the flip side. It's Balmy coming at you.